Well, you have these whole house fans, sometimes they're called attic fans. These are great if you have climate that can accept cracking open a window, because you have to crack windows open when you use these. Keep in mind, this is a giant hole in your house that communicates conditioned space to your attic, which is unconditioned space. So do we have a good seal here? Well, I don't feel cold air coming in. And I'm not showing any real evidence of, well, right in here there's a little bit of airflow and leakage. Because if you don't have in the winter time a cover put over that in the attic, and if you want to be really mindful about the energy efficiency of your home, the cover needs to be at the same insulation rate as the attic that you have there. So if you've got, let's say R15 for an insulation value in the attic, but you put a little plywood box together for it, your plywood box will be an R value of 1 over the attic fan here, or your whole house fan, while the rest of the house is insulated, what did I say, R15? You want to match it to get the same performance on there. It's very important. Wintertime, you're not going to try to cool off your house. You want the heat. Heat rises. The heat will rise through there. You've got vents in your attic that's going to help with the chimney effect of sucking the heat out of your house, going straight into the attic where you're paying to try to keep your attic warm where nobody's living. So any little air leaks you see, kind of a little something here, you kind of can tell where the dust is, but it could be a lot worse. You can take this grill down, put a piece of plastic on there, you now have your air seal, put the insulation above it, usually made of foam board insulation, and now you have your insulation portion, because this might provide a 0.5 R value there, the louvered grill. Hopefully this video will help you out with your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe.